Hello, I'm Dr. Priya Bansal, a board certified cosmetic plastic surgeon. In today's video, we'll talk about Brazilian butt lift surgery. Many questions arise when we think of undergoing BBL, and one of them is whether Brazilian butt lift is only for celebrities or for normal people too. Well, a desirable figure with adequate buttock size and projection is no more a pipe dream. It is now a reality for everyone and not just superstars. Brazilian butt lift, also known as gluteal augmentation surgery, is a technique used to increase the size and projection of the buttocks. This also contributes to improving the overall body shape to a more desirable proportion. Now, there are two techniques to achieve the desired result in BBL. The first technique is Brazilian butt lift with fat grafting. In this procedure, excess fat is extracted from other body regions and grafted within the buttocks for enhanced form and contour. This form of buttock augmentation, commonly known as Brazilian butt lift, produces a more natural looking result and is ideal for patients having excess fat around the waist, as in such cases it gives a dual benefit of an hourglass shape with narrow waist and wide hips. The second technique for buttock augmentation is buttock implants. In this procedure, silicone implants are surgically placed either in the subcutaneous or intramuscular plane within the buttock tissues, and the incisions are closed. Now, the main question that arises is who can go for a Brazilian butt lift? If you are a physically active and healthy adult who wants to improve your body contour and your hourglass form, or if you have asymmetry in your contours, you may want to consider a buttock augmentation procedure. However, incomplete knowledge combined with high expectations create a prescription for trouble. Hence, I am here to teach you about the benefits of this surgery and to dispel some myths along the road. There has been a lot of speculations and apprehensions around the procedure owing to the occurrence of some mishaps with fat grafting into the buttock muscles. And that is why I use a specialized technique called expansion vibration lipofilling for my BBL patients, where all the fat can be grafted in the subcutaneous space itself, avoiding the need to go into the intramuscular space. Follow the link below or click on the I button to check my video on EVL and know more about it. Whether you choose a fat grafting or implant method, the result is a natural increase in buttock size for a more pleasing appearance. Now, whether you choose a fat grafting or implant method, the result should be natural increase in buttock size for a more pleasing appearance. When we use fat, the limiting factor is the space available to incorporate the fat cells without compromising their viability. Even with the use of implants, the rate of complications like implant extrusion and exposure become more as you increase the size of the implant. So expecting exponential growth in the buttock size is not advised. Buttock augmentation requires a lot of precision and skill, and only a board certified and experienced surgeon is capable of combining both the approaches in the same treatment, depending upon the individual need of the patient and the complexities of the situation. We use the best state of art technologies to achieve a high success rate with the desired results. Have more questions? Drop in the comment section. Signing off for now.